Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, big up on yourself anywhere now watch from. So right now guys, I am in the Trelawny area, very close to Chilean side. Yeah man, so big up on yourself anywhere now watch from, you know. Yeah, they're abroad. So welcome to Chilean guys. So this channel is all about Jamaica, some different places, when to go, where to go. Yeah man, so I'm giving a tour from Chilean side, very close to Chilean side guys. So you can keep on watching, and if you like something about this video, you can press the like button, share and subscribe, and press the all icon. So as soon as I upload a video guys, you will be notified. Yeah man, as when I was seeing beautiful Jamaica, some different areas. Yeah man, them places I have to look out for them big truck here, you know guys. Look out for them truck here. Just take a little time on the road. Look out for them big units here. A lot of persons afraid for traveling to Jamaica because of the road and how the people them driving to Jamaica, because guess what? Just take a little time. Don't make anyone bump on off of the road. Just take a little time with a little corner and just take on the time on the road, because you know drive them place here, see how much big unit. So you have to be very careful. Yeah man, taxi man them drive. Taxi man them always in a haste with people. Always in a haste. So now have to look out for the taxi guys them. Look out for them. Yeah man, because some of them now hold them road more time, always in a haste. I don't really disrespect no taxi man, it's just the truth, you know. So you have to be careful with the people them on the road too. You know, big up on yourself, yard or abroad. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, so I take my little time and go through them little places, you know. Can't really hold up the traffic too much, so sorry about the speeding in this area guys, because you know can't really hold up the traffic too much in this part of the area, you know. Yes, with paper. Yeah man, see them Chilean, see them truck here. Yeah man, say I don't know, say you have a lot of yam stick. Hold on for the hand, mommy. Yeah man, because I know sometimes the kids them kind of frightened and run out on the road. So make sure them safe all the while. Yeah man, so now for all of the corners, my paper. Yeah man, big up on yourself. up on them beautiful house here. Yeah man, Jamaica has some nice houses also. No matter where we live at Jamaica, we are always nice. Always going to the backyard, get a hand of banana or pumpkin or okra, callaloo. Yeah man, and steam it and enjoy the dinner. So Jamaica nice. So all of the people them in Jamaica all over the world just farm something in the backyard because more organic way, more better way for us. So let's farm up something in the backyard, guys. Yeah man, so no like up the video. Yeah man, because I don't know, I take the time out for showing what I go on in Jamaica. Yeah man, it's not an easy task because I love what I do, I love my country, and I always share my country all over the world. Very, very nice place. I know people have different views about Jamaica, but for me, I love my country. I really, really love my country, guys. So I will be always sharing it to you guys. Because you never know one day I come to Jamaica and I don't know where to go, so I don't have an idea. So this is the right channel. So we are driving on B5, guys. Yeah man, we're up on B5. I tell you, the place is so green and pretty. Yeah, the farmers them kind of love it that way there because they might get a lot of rain from the other day. So just be careful. I think we're now in the lower river area. So when you're in the lower river area, it's about roughly about 15 minutes drive to Christiana, guys. You know, everybody drive them different speed, but you know, I'm just giving a time roughly enough to take it to Christiana. Depends on where you're coming from in lower river. Or it's Low River, something like that, guys. But you know, I'm not really know them here like that still, but you know, I take the time out same way. Yeah man, just big up on yourself and thanks for tuning in to the channel. And always leave your comments in the comment section. If you want to reach a place or want to know one place, just leave it in the comment section so I can have an idea, guys, where to go. Yeah man, I will try my best to see if I can do some of those areas for you guys, so you can leave a comment in the comment section. One day I will. Yeah man, look at those beautiful houses, very colorful. Yeah man, so now if you use up on the hand of them place, yeah. So you have a lot of curves, yeah man. So now if you hold on the car and my people, I know if you drive at them place, yeah. Yeah man, just take it a little time and drive. As you can see, a lot of banana trees in this area, very cool climate. Sometimes when I have to blow on the horn so other road users can know say, because there are some truck guys that don't really blow them horn, so you have to be very careful. So welcome to Litchfield guys. I'm now in the Litchfield area. Welcome to Litchfield. Yeah man, no say Litchfield in the Trelawny area. Yeah man, getting some nice breeze. Yeah man, to daddy with him donkey. Yeah man, you know when I carry donkey, I carry so much load. Back to them days there. So here like these, you don't have to have no donkey because you know see them do the work. A lot of farming take place in this area. So that helps cut out the manpower. If you make a right turn, it will take you to Hood Grove. Yeah man, so the boss plant some sweet potato, like him do some harvesting. Here's some people, so don't dirty up Jamaica. Yeah man, you have too much garbage there, so yeah man, the garbage collector need to come and clean up them place there. Yeah man, we don't really want to dirty up Jamaica like that. No, me people. So what you think about this channel, my people? Tell me what you think about this channel. If you don't like the channel, just like it up free of cost, Yeah man, so we're in the Chilean area. Yeah man, from Freeman Hall to Litchfield, B5. Yeah man, very close to the place that I'm calling him Wait a Bit. Yeah, I'm supposed to hear about them place, the Wait a Bit area. Big up yourself, Michelle Cook Shop. Big up yourself. Yeah man, so you realize I don't have a cook shop on the road, so if you don't want to know cook food, you can check Michelle. So on your right you have a Petcom gas station. So yes guys, we're now in the Wait a Bit area. So big up on yourself, all the wait a bit people them, big up on yourself. If you know I watch from here and abroad, big up on yourself, one love and one heart. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.